started out as two separate groups working on a common goal, and we met through Lauren Carson. We were working as Friends of King Park on projects within the park, and we wanted to try and get grass to grow where there's no grass, and basically that's how we met Johanna. We found out we couldn't get grass to grow because of this high salinity, and this whole conversation evolved into rain gardens and bog gardens and all kinds of experimental projects that we could get involved in. And we eventually chose to help with Friends of the Waterfront and go into a rain garden approach.
We did a lot of research on soil testing at other parts of the park where we had saltwater inundation, stormwater standing. So we wanted to do something for mitigation of water in this park. That's how the rain garden started out. We tested soil other places where we thought we could put in large rain gardens, and the salinity was way too high, in the thousands. So we finally decided to settle with a smaller rain garden, using the downspout from the roof, collecting the water, letting it run into our rain garden. Many of these plants here are URI Master Gardener collected seeds from native Rhode Island plants. Some of these plants in here are also common plants that you can find at a big box store. So we did a combination, a hybrid of plants, and basically this is what we have wound up with 9 weeks after the planting.
So the rain garden also acts as a filter to the soil below and mitigates the stormwater that's coming down off the roof and ends up in the water table and then in the bay. So
one rain garden can infiltrate 25,000 gallons of water a year. If we could get 40 people down here in King Park to put in rain gardens, we could take care of over 1 million gallons of water from entering Narragansett Bay.